Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I did this Pikachu nail art. First thing to do is to apply a base coat on your clean nails. I'm using my favorite peel-off base coat. After applying the first coat and letting it to dry, I'm applying another. Then for my index and ring nail, I'm applying a white nail polish. Then I'm applying a second coat. Then as for my middle, pinky, and thumbnail, I'm using this sheer pink nail polish. After that, I'm applying silver holographic glitter top coat to my middle, pinky, and thumbnail. Then I'm applying pastel yellow on my index nail. And neon yellow for my ring nail. For my middle, pinky, and thumbnail, I'm using pastel yellow and pastel pink to apply different sizes of scallop design. Then I'm applying top coat. After all of that, I let it to dry completely. Now for the Pikachu design, I'm using this Pikachu water decal, which we've bought from Shopee. Now I'm cutting the decals that I'm using. Now let's peel off the film from the decal and let's submerge it onto a room temperature water. Wait for a while and let's place it onto the stamper. I find water decals easier to apply on my nails when I use a clear stamper. Do you guys use stampers for water decals too? Then let's place the decal using the stamper. Now let's apply all of the water decals on each of my nail. After all of that, apply a thick coat of glossy top coat. And that's how I did my Pikachu nails. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!